The sun greets us with its warm rays as we leave rustic Boumalne Dades, heading for Aït Ben Haddou, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that defies imagination with its walled city of mud buildings. Under the expert guidance of a local guide, we explore the narrow alleys with centuries-old houses that bear witness to a bygone era. By the way, they also shot scenes from Gladiator and Game of Thrones there. Located on the edge of the Sahara and Atlas Mountains, Aït Ben Haddou looks like a sandcastle. It used to be an important stop for caravans. Nowadays, only a few families live there. Walking through the narrow, winding streets of Aït Ben Haddou is enchanting. The mud houses rise like sand castles as sunlight plays on the weathered walls. The smell of spices and the murmur of daily life fill the alleys of this ancient Moroccan kasbah.